What is difference between horse and donkey? Horses and donkeys are both members of the equine family, but they have some differences that make them unique. Horses are usually bigger and faster, with long, flowing manes and tails. They are often used for riding, racing, and farm work. Donkeys, on the other hand, are smaller and have shorter, thicker manes that stand up like a brush. They are known for their strong bodies and gentle nature, making them great for carrying heavy loads and helping out on farms. While both animals are very intelligent, donkeys are famous for being very calm and patient, whereas horses are known for their speed and grace. Feature: horse and donkey. Size of horse is 15 to 17 hands, 60 to 68 inches, and donkey is 9 to 14 hands, 36 to 56 inches. Ears of horse are shorter ears and donkey has longer, more pronounced ears. Tail of horse is long tail with hair all the way down and donkey has shorter tail with tuft at end. Sound of horse is neigh or whinny and donkey says bray. Hooves of horse are rounder, more concave hooves and donkey has smaller, more upright hooves. Coat of horse a variety of colors, sleeker and donkey has gray or brown, rougher texture. Behavior of horse is more spirited, skittish and donkey has more stoic, perceived as stubborn. Lifespan of horse is 25 to 30 years and donkey has 30 to 50 years. Diet of horse herbivores, higher quality forage and donkey are herbivores, lower quality forage. Work of horse is riding, racing, various work and donkey has carrying loads, agricultural work.